Lynette here, and we are coming to you live from my home office as always. And today we have the pleasure of re-showing you and sharing with you guys our Splendies for the month of August. So let's get in and let's get into it. Okay guys, so welcome back. So today again we have another month of Splendies. This is actually one of my family's favorite subscription box. My daughter and I actually, we get these on a monthly basis, so we are super excited. This is my daughter's package, so you guys are seeing what she's getting in her monthly Splendies for the month of August. And for those of you who don't know, Splendies is a woman's underwear subscription box. So you can get 3 new underwear for the month, for every month, as long as you want it. You can skip it if you have to, but basically you get 3 new undies each month. So this is super cool because it goes all the way up to, from what I understand, I believe it goes all the way up to 4X, but you can get from small all the way up to large sizes. Sometimes with subscription boxes, plus size options are very minimal, so it's super awesome that Splendies has a subscription that goes up to that high of a size. So with that being said, I will put somewhere at the top or in the description box below the last month's Splendies subscription. So if you guys want to check that out just to see, for me these are awesome because, like I said, you get new fresh pair of underwears for yourself. So that's super awesome for me. Usually before Splendies, I used to just wait until Victoria's Secret had their semi-annual sales. So that's when I would wait to buy underwear. But with this allows you to get them right off the bat each month. So I love that, super fresh. All right, so it comes in this cute little package here. So it's super discreet. No one knows what's in this bag unless they know the subscription. So that's super awesome. And so let's see what came with let me get my scissors. Let's see what came in August. So guys, let me know if you guys have checked this out. I know my daughter chose like a mystery theme. That's another thing with this. So you're not bound to just receive a certain type of undies. You can choose mystery not mystery, it's mixed up. So it comes with different kinds of underwears, or you can just get thongs, or you can just get non-thong. So you're not liable or stuck with one certain mix. But my daughter wants to get mixed. So these are hers. And they come in this beautiful tissue paper each month. And here let me see if you guys can see that. It says Splendies, so you guys can see that there. So all right, let's take a look and see what came in her package this month. So her and I are gonna actually go back and forth each month. One month I'll get some, and then next month she'll get some, so we both take advantage of it. And you do have the ability to choose your size. So far last month was perfect for me. We'll find out with this month. I'll let you guys know next month how it was for my daughter. We've been told, well, I've seen on YouTube people say you should up at size because every underwear could be like a different style. So sometimes it may be small, so you may want to one up that size. So let us see what she received in August so we can stop yapping. So let's take a look. These are really, really pretty. So this is the material. These are retail value of $12. So that is what this is. And these are thongs. So there you go there. These are really pretty though. The material is really pretty. Let me see if I can tell you guys what material. This is 92% polyester and 8% spandex. So these are really pretty. These are really different. So that is that. And then the next one here are, excuse me, this is from the company called Honeydew. I don't know if you guys can see that there. And then these have a retail value of $13, and these are just black, if you can see that. And then they have lace trimming on the top and on the side, so you guys can see that. And these are just regular, well, not just, but these are regular. Sorry, took that tag off, or took that the thread off. So these are just regular black underwear, but it's super pretty because it does have that lace stitching there. So that is really, really pretty. I'm sure she will totally dig those. So those are really nice. So I would say 2 A+ on those. So then the next one here we have, these are from Honeydew, and these have a retail value also of $13. These are a little different. So these still with the lace trimming on the outside, but on the top, it's where you see the lace trimming there at the top, and then that's it. So it's cotton trimmed at the top. The lace is in the middle. So you see that on both. That's where the lace is, and then lace trimming on the outside. So these are pretty because these are different. On the back, they are also lace in the middle. The difference here is it's ribbon in the middle. So these are super pretty. Let me see what this is made of for you guys. Let me see if I can find that. I don't see that. Oh, here it is. Sorry. This is rayon and spandex. So these feel really comfortable. I didn't mention the ones for black. It seems like it's the same material, so more than likely it's the same. Rayon and spandex also. So these are really, really comfortable. If you ever, I guess to try to kind of compare, if you ever have like those really, really super soft cotton t-shirts that you get and they're like super high quality, that's exactly what this feels like. So just to do the recap for August. So we have this, and this is like a purple. You guys, I'm sure you guys can tell that on the camera. This is more so of a light purple. So this is really pretty, and it has lace in the middle with the ribbon in the middle and on the back, and then it's laced with trim lace there as well. So these are super nice. And then we also have Honeydew in another similar style, but this is all black, not lace in the middle like the purple one was, but this is just lace on the trimming of it. So that is really nice. And then we have this purple. What's crazy is that she loves the color purple, so she will definitely be excited about this one. And then we have this one here, which is purple, and these are thong underwear. So these are super awesome. So we have $12 and then $13 for these. So I would say Splendies did a superb job this month with their August bag and monthly. So let me know, have you guys tried Splendies before? Are you still on the fence? I would definitely recommend this for anyone who's looking for new fresh undies, and I will put their information in the description box below so that you guys can definitely check it out for yourself, see if there's any offers. I will put a coupon code. I'll look for a coupon code so that you guys can take advantage. I know for me, I got 50% off my first order because I was curious to see if it was worth it myself. So I will find a coupon code so you guys can take a look and use it yourself to see if there's any coupon codes out there so you guys can save on your first order as well. So that will definitely be in the description box below. And with that being said, if you dig subscription boxes or unboxings or reviews, definitely make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. So have a good day, guys.